Hello, Chad Payne here, investment advisor with Security First Asset Management, with our weekly market recap for the week ending June 7th, 2024. First of all, we have a few announcements. We have our second quarter drawing going on for referrals. If you refer friends or family to us during the second quarter, you'll be entered to win a $100 Home Depot gift card that we'll give away at the beginning of the third quarter. So let us know if you have any friends or family you'd like to for us to talk with, and your name will be put in for that drawing. Also, next week, June 20th at 4 p.m. in our Macon office, we've changed the time a little bit to 4. We're going to be doing a talk on health of our banking institutions and be looking at our financial institutions and how they're holding up in this somewhat difficult time for interest rates. Myself and John Gilbert will be doing that presentation, so sign up. I hope to see you there next week for that. Also, we've got our summer fun points contest that we're doing. You can earn points for sharing our Facebook posts, for liking our Facebook posts, and for a lot of other social media things. So it's an easy way to help refer us to other people that you might know and to get the word out on us. And you'll be able to earn points and cash those in for some gifts, and then we'll have a drawing at the end. So that's running through the end of August, starting 1st of June. So a lot to go over this past week in markets. There was a lot of mixed information that also caused some mixed market reactions. We had the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ up for the week, while small caps were down. Growth stocks outpaced valued stocks for the most part all week long. So a few things that led to that was that some of the AI excitement that's been going on for quite a while has become a little bit of AI scrutiny now that regulators are starting to catch up with the technology, and they're starting to look a little harder at some of the practices. They're looking harder at Microsoft and NVIDIA in particular to see if there's any sort of antitrust going on there. The ISM manufacturing survey came back weaker than expected. It was below 50, which is a term of contraction. So that sparked some fears of stagflation, which is slowing growth while still having inflation in place. So be on the lookout for that. But later in the week, job openings fell to the lowest levels since February of 2022. So the labor market may be tightening up a little bit there. And the ISM services index rose to 53.8, which is higher than expectations and means expansion in the services sector. 272,000 jobs were added for the month of May, which was above expectations as well. And unemployment rate did rise slightly as well. So a lot of conflicting information, some good, some bad, that ultimately caused markets to kind of be mixed, as I said. So all eyes will be on the Fed for this week to see what kind of rate changes they may have in store, any projections they may have for the rest of the year. All eyes will be on those meetings this week that the Fed will have. Some other economic data coming out too, but that's the main thing. So if you are considering making a change in employment, a little bit of information here. Housekeepers in Palm Beach and South Florida are cleaning up with salaries topping $150,000. And they're even having bidding wars between mansion owners and the people that are keeping their houses. So consider that if you might need to make a change. South Florida is pretty nice, but you can go down there and clean houses and make a lot of money. So hope everybody has a great week. And if you need us, we're certainly here for you. Give us a call, and hope to see you next time. Thanks a lot.